Merry Christmas! Oh no, the Grinch came! A smiling Grinch face on a paper plate is the perfect craft for the holiday season, and it's easy. We drew a Grinch face. You can find the template in the description box. Cut out the parts on the colored craft paper and make this Grinchy. Trace the face on the paper plate and cut the shape out. Now paint it all green and let it dry completely. Now cut out the eyes on bright yellow craft paper and glue it on the paper plate. Add the eyebrows. Glue the nose just below the eyes. Now we're going to make the pupil using markers. Now we can make the Grinchy smile. Glue the Santa hat fluff to the bottom of the red hat. Now place the hat onto the Grinch's head and glue it into the place. Glue the hat puff onto the pointed end of the hat. This is such a simple craft that kids will love to make for the holidays. Thank you for watching.